Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. And we've got a lot of long words and 2-word phrases. So I'm instantly more confident. One of these days, my confidence will be misplaced. But I do find that usually, when there's long words and phrases, it is easier because there's fewer things that they can possibly refer to. But let's see if that is the case today. We've got an eel, a hound, and a fish. But there isn't a fourth thing that ends in the name of an animal that I can see, so we'll get rid of that. Or what else? I don't know what some of these are, which could be a problem. I don't know what a boutonniere is, for example. A lapel pin and an awareness ribbon are things that you wear to draw attention to a cause. Presumably a scarf ring is as well. Oh, I suppose that could be what a boutonniere is. I don't think it's what a lavalier is. I think it's got to be these 4. Boutonniere now does ring a vague bell, but clearly I'm wrong. Okay. Is it a lavalier instead? What else could it be? It's none of the others, is it? Oh, that's one away as well. Oh dear. In that case, I'm going to stop guessing and we'll come back to that. I knew this was going to be the day, but it turns out not to be easy. What are we going to do instead? I mean, chow mein is food. But I don't know how that links to any of the others. Oh, you can chow down on something, you can scarf it, wolf it, and presumably bolt. I don't think that fits quite as well in my vernacular, but it might be an Americanism, because none of the others fit. So surely, I said this before, but surely this will be correct? It is. They all start with synonyms for eat. Okay, fair enough. That is exactly what I meant. What else? We've still got the 3 things that you pin to yourself. Oh, but we don't. We don't have scarf ring anymore. So in fact, it's got to be these 4, because otherwise I couldn't possibly have been one away both times. It's lavalier and a boutonniere. So I've still got no idea really what either of them are, but I vaguely thought they might be something along those lines. And it turns out they both were. I thought it might be one or the other. It's both. Oh dear. Right. What next? These are all cocktails. That's the word. Oh, they're not. Or one of them isn't. I don't know which of the other 4 goes in this group. Oh dear. I've got absolutely no idea. It's definitely Cosmopolitan, Racecar, and Screwdriver are cocktails. Sea Breeze is the one I'm a little bit less confident about, but I couldn't imagine. I've never heard of either of the other 4, so it seemed most likely. But if I do get rid of this, I don't know what to put in instead. What links 3 of the ones I've got left? Talking Doll, Grumpy Old Man. I mean, they both could easily be things from, like, Sesame Street or something. Grumpy Old Man being Statler and Waldorf. I suppose that's Grumpy Old Men. Who else is a grumpy old man? I mean, maybe it's a cocktail. What else have we got? Nemo is a clownfish. I don't see how that links to Talking Doll or Greyhound. Greyhound could be a cocktail. So could Talking Doll. I've got no idea. I mean, it doesn't have to be Sea Breeze that was wrong. Could be that one of the others comes out, but I still don't see how that's going to help. I don't think it's going to be something to do with the words either, just because the very first group that we found was the one that was to do with the words. They all started with synonyms for eat. So we're not going to have something like they all end with synonyms for animals or something like that. Maybe. I don't think we are. But I don't know what links them. Oh no. Clownfish, greyhound, talking doll, grumpy old man. None of those sound like cocktails. Can I have a talking doll? Can I have a clownfish? Can I have a greyhound? Grumpy old man feels like the only thing you'd ask for in a bar. I might want to rephrase that. But I really cannot see how Seabreeze links with Clownfish, Greyhound, and Talking Doll, but I also cannot see how Racecar, Cosmopolitan, or Screwdriver does either. I'm going to fail this, I suspect. I mean, it really feels like Seabreeze is going to be a cocktail. Clownfish, Greyhound, Racecar, Talking Doll. I don't think that works. I'm gonna have to just go for this, and I am prepared to fail. I have failed. Yeah, it was Racecar that didn't go in that group. They're all Pixar protagonists. I did wonder about that. I said Nemo. The Racecar obviously is from Cars. But then, oh, Grumpy Old Man is from Up. Oh, that was very careless, because that is the best film of all time. And Talking Doll. I'm not sure that narrows it down. Is that just from Toy Story? I mean, I'm not sure I'd describe Woody as a talking doll, but I suppose he technically is. I mean, I feel like I should have got that, but at the same time, I feel like it was a difficult one. And then the cocktails, it was Greyhound. But I would have failed anyway, because I was taking Seabreeze out of that one rather than Racecar. Oh, it was a tricky one. I did say there's fewer things that those could mean, given that they were such long words. And I was right, but it still didn't help. It is a failure. We've got 2 groups, but not the last 2. Did you do better? Did you do the same? Did you do worse? I think that was a tricky one, but maybe you wished for it. Either way, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.